Hello and welcome to Crafty Pie. Thank you for taking a moment to be here. In today's video, I will guide you through a beautiful hand embroidery design step by step. Whether you are a beginner or someone who loves embroidery, I hope you find this video relaxing and inspiring. Let's slow down, enjoy every stitch, and start creating something truly beautiful.